Hi, this is Dr. Doug Smale with CDOCS, and today's tip of the day video is on the Primemill workflow for Cerec Guide 2 and 3, setting things up in administration. And you've got to get things set up in administration right away, but first you get your plan finished in CyCat 2.0, and you can choose Cerec Guide 2 or Cerec Guide EV, which is Cerec Guide 3. So I'll show you how you do that. So here we have that upper right corner and when you're doing your implant planning. And so before you finish in CyCat 2.0, you choose Cerec Guide, and then you go to the second drop-down box, and in this case we're doing an Astra EV, so we chose Cerec Guide EV Guided Surgery. If you're doing non-EV surgery, then you choose just Cerec Guide. So now you go ahead and you need to export your data. And you're either going to export that to a hard drive, thumb drive, hub, whatever it is. So you get that data exported, bring it back into your Cerec to do your planning. And the first thing that comes up is the administration screen. So you want to check the default setting, because we did this and we got all the way to the end and we couldn't mill it. We didn't know why. Went back to administration, and the default setting shows MCXL virtual. So let's see that. And you see right here, you'll see where it says MCL virtual. You click that and you drop it down, and then you click Primemill. Right in the administration, right away, first thing, so you get it set up correctly, and that way you bring the rest of it through and you're all set. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you at a CDOCS course. Thanks.